How to change materials. There is a universal method for changing materials. Click on the 3D object, and a panel with materials appears, where we can change them. At the top we can change the category. By clicking on all categories we get to all available categories of materials. In the same way, you can choose materials for walls, floors, and ceilings. Click on the object itself, and in the right panel we can choose the material. You can also copy a material from one object to another. To do this, select the object, hover over any of its materials, and two buttons appear. The first one is to copy the material from the object to the clipboard, and the second one is to apply the material from the clipboard to the object. Click Copy, select another object, and apply. Material can be copied not only from object to object, but also from anything to anywhere. For example, from an object to the wall, or from the ceiling to the floor, wall, or an object. For walls, floors, and ceilings, there is an alternative method of choosing materials. Choose a coverings category in the catalog. To apply the material, you need to hold down the left mouse button and drag this material to the desired surface. To apply this material to all walls, click on the modified wall and apply it to the entire room. For ceilings, walls, floors, and skirtings, we can change the direction of textures by clicking on a surface and using this tool to change the direction of the textures. You can also align textures by selecting the desired surface, and with this tool we can align the textures. We can also align textures using the arrows. If we need to quickly reset the texture settings to the default, then we need to click on the surface, and here, this will return the texture to its default setting.